Ubah Preston Tensong sambut Menteri Rangba Jong Jela uberipet uya kata District Council Affairs ula kentaj bambau lani kasokar MDA kedam keti ke pynkhyllem yak SDP Committee ke belelam dak UDP hapok hasil Autonomous District Council. Pak Tensong ula ong bah pod sungsil ki MDC juga NPP ki ya kaman laitluid ban sim hiya karai ban nu kenya thau ya ka isi lani ban nu kenya dan lang. Ke juga por ula kentaj banyak tu lani ula ong ba umla ban tip kai kadau kepada pelong ya ki MDC jong kesang NPP pan wengno ya ka jengkersana le ban pynkhyllem ya ka isi belelam dau ba titos tarwal khan.
It's totally different institution altogether if you talk about assembly and about this council. So this council, as you are aware, number one is we can call it partyless organization where anybody can go anywhere, where anyone can join anywhere. So I think that question does not arise at all as far as assembly level is concerned.
So what is the reason of toppling the new,
I'm not an MDC, I don't know much. I'll let you. Yes, but see, I'm a minister of DCA. DCA means I'm looking after the welfare of the KHADC council. And it is not my duty to topple anybody. Okay. But for that, I think the elected members, be it Garo, be it Kasli, be it the they are the one who does that, who choose their leaders.
The UDP President Medbalindo expressed unhappiness in the manner in which
Sorry?
UDP President Medbalindo expressed dissatisfaction over the style in which the UDP PC was removed.
No. As I said to you, nothing of that sort, because now it is purely dependable upon the elected members of the KHADC Autonomous Council. So you ask from them, I think they are the best people to tell you exactly what is the reason and why new EC has been just established today in inside house.
So you will be getting the support of Congress, but will they be in the EC?
Sorry?
Congress and DCC.
I don't know, because see, don't ask me this small issue. You can ask from this CM who has been elected today. It is his prerogative. Who are the members to be in the executive committee? I think you can ask from him. He is the best person.
But how do you reconcile that Congress is in the opposition there and here it is in the ruling?
I've already told you from the very beginning. See, as far as this council is concerned, it is a partyless organization, partyless constitutional body. So don't ask me this question because nobody even can reply on that. But the point here is, if you talk about the assembly, if you talk about the state government, we are all in that.
So can you please tell us about the